welcome to All About. Today I have a new light and this thing is like so shiny, so I'll adjust it, but was either adjust it or film this, and if I didn't film this then there's no All About for tomorrow. Anyway, today we're gonna be swatching E53. I don't color people, so I don't have a lot of experience with the browns when you're gonna color skin. I have more experience with them when I color a tree or a branch, something like that. So in the natural family combination, of course, is just the E53, E51, E50. But on the, sorry, my cat is making noises and distracting me. The bonus combination, I did something that I did in a project some years back. You are going to do a rebel combination between E53, G20, and G21. I will show you exactly how I did that. And then you can use it, when that branch is becoming green, and when it starts green and then it goes to brown, you can do that combination, and you can add another one like E53, E51. Maybe you want to go all the way to E55, and E53 might be your lightest, but that's up to you. We found only one Prismacolor pencil, but it matches pretty well. I did like it a lot. Any other news? No, I think that's it. As you can see, I have a bunch of boxes because we just got a bunch of inventory. I haven't had time to arrange it, but I will this week. So next week you won't see all this mess. I'm Elena with VioletaInk.com, and we sell Copic markers, refills, and nib replacements. Thanks. We are going to start with E53. So we're swatching away. We're not swatching, we're flicking away from the edge. That was E53. On top of it is E51. And at the end is going to be E50. E50 is so light, I rarely use it. We're going to underpaint because they're so light. We need something very light to underpaint with. So this is B00. But you can see right away how there is a difference. It is desaturating E53. And this is E50 at the end. The bonus combination is B00 and then E53, which is almost there. There it is, E53. And then we're doing G21 from the other end. We're going to start from there. We'll flick away, going towards E53. And now this is going to be G20. This is where I told you that it gets you that branch, like young branch going into more mature branch, going towards the E53. This is the Prismacolor pencil match. And the color is beige, which I'm not sure, but I believe that E53 is called beige. You just have to go a few layers because it is very, very light. So if you only go once, it's going to look like the end of a flick instead of being E53. That is the staining test, and surprisingly, it didn't erase it. It moved it so you can see the ring around where I use the colorless blender. Now we're going to go with our butterfly. We'll flick away from the edge. That was E53. This is E51. And we're going a little bit slower. On top of it is going to be E50. They're so similar that I keep making a mistake and choosing different ones. But this was E50. That was E51. And this is E50. What happened is I have swatch flicked with E53, and then I went all the way to E50. So that's why you see me grabbing E51 and then go over it again. This is the underpainted part. B_0. At first you might think this is not gonna look underpainted, but it is. You will see it at the end. So this is E53. Now I'm being very, very careful not to grab E50. And this is E51. I need to refill these markers. When you use such light markers, if you do not have them at 14.1 or 14.2, you can tell. I could tell that here I was already dragging the marker, but I didn't change it. This is E53. We're going flicking away from the edge. Now we're going to start from the other edge, remember? G21. That's what my little arrows are trying to explain on the top. So we start with G21, and now we're going to blend with G20. It doesn't go all the way on top of G53. Like it's not going to go all the way to the end, to the beginning, to the edge. But it is going to go on top of it. That's how it's going to blend. It needs to go on top of it. We are underpainting. This is E53 on top of B_0. This is G21. Oh, look, those are my glasses. Yes, I use glasses when I color. I didn't before, but then I realized that I was not coloring very well. And then I resisted, and then now I wear them. So that's the end of it. So this is all about E53. The natural family combination is E53, E51, and E50. Underpainting with B_0, and the bonus combination is 53, G20, and G21. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!